What's the meaning of Benedict Arnold? Benedict Arnold. Benedict Arnold.
Benedict Arnold. Benedict Arnold. Benedict Arnold was an American military officer during the American Revolutionary War. He initially fought for the American side, and played a key role in several important battles, including the Battle of Saratoga. However, Arnold eventually defected to the British side in 1780, becoming one of the most notorious turncoats in American history. His name has since become synonymous with traitors and betrayal, and it is often used as a derogatory term for someone who betrays their country or cause. Despite his military achievements, Benedict Arnold is remembered primarily for his treachery and disloyalty to his country.